lady, I heard you from the door, you sound amazing. I just had to know your name and see whose face went with that new voice that I heard, 'cause I could feel it like you're singing to me. Oh, wait a minute, did I forget to say my name is Brandon? It's so nice to meet you and make your acquaintance. I'll let you go the second set is starting. I'll take my seat. Ooh, maybe later, or maybe now. It'll be our time and we can take it. We'll take our time. If this is love, then we can make it. We'll make it right. Baby, free your mind, we're gonna make it. I know that we can get through it. Set 2 was killing. The band was going in and I could feel it. I just sat there in a trance and caught that healing. Then you broke it down and I was hanging on your every word. Ooh, get it? Not only could you sing, you started spitting. Kicked the verse from Lauryn Hill and I was lifted. I don't wanna come down, you got me feeling like a granny in church. Ooh, maybe later, or maybe now. It'll be our time and we can take it. We'll take our time. If this is love, then we can make it. We'll make it right. Baby, free your mind, we're gonna make it. I know that we can get through it. Free your mind, let's get free. Take my hand, let's do this. Free your mind, let's get free. Take my hand, let's do this.
I took a drive down looking to vibe out. My brother said it would be something to write about, so I slid through to show love to the family. But evidently still God had other plans for me. I walked in and heard a sound I could only say hit me in the chest and had me feeling some type of way. And as I turned to identify the source, I nearly hit the floor. I was barely in the door, Lord. What I beheld was the work of the divine. She found to be the understatement of a lifetime. She had the voice of an angel, complexion of a mocha latte. Shot day, she was hypnotizing. On the 1 to 10, she was a 14. My 2 knees knocking out cause she was approaching. I looked her in the eyes as her hand met mine. Real talk, in the back of my mind, thinking maybe later.
Oh, maybe now. It'll be our time and we can take it. We'll take our time. If this is love, then we can make it. We'll make it right. Baby, free your mind, we're gonna make it. I know that we can. Ooh, maybe later. Oh, maybe now. It'll be our time and we can take it. Take our time. If this is love, then we can say it. We'll make it right. Baby, free your mind, we're gonna make it. I know that we can get through it. Ooh, baby, free your mind. Oh, won't you free my baby? Take my mind.
Just chill.
Bits and pieces, pages, not so good with names or faces. Take a walk with Mother Nature, feel her inclination and become incapable of hatred. We can skip the arbitration, no concern for what you're chasing. I am chill, your heart is racing. Why don't you pour a glass of red? Come join me on the bed instead, and let this chronic infiltrate your head. And then we're gone. We only live inside this song. And when you're gone, the only time I feel alone.
I'm chill. Are you chill? We chill. Alright, okay, let's chill.
Was queued up in my room. I'm getting lost inside the layers. I have learned that in this game you've gotta shoot to kill. If you ain't got the skill, just chill, player. And then we're gone.